back, artistic family, to today's pour, and it's going to be a fun one. I'm super excited, guys. So I have this silicone oil that I've been using, and I just did that in a pour. And I really love the cells I got, the classic black and white. However, I really want to know what technique out of the most common techniques creates the best cells. So I have 4 8x10 canvases here, and I have my metallic bronze. I have Artist Loft Flow Black. I have Artist Loft Copper, which I've been using a lot. And I have my new favorite gold, 24 karat gold, DecoArt Extreme Sheen. I'm also adding white, okay? So those are the 5 colors that I'm using today. So let's talk about the techniques. There's 4 main techniques that I've used several times that I find help promote cells. There's another one, but I'm not using that, which is the open cup. However, and you guys see me do that, open cups absolutely, with or without silicone or Floetrol, can create cells, absolutely. Now the type, shape, and form and size are completely different at times. But I wanted to do one of my favorite techniques. I'm doing a ribbon pour, a flip cup, a straight pour, and a ring pour. But first, let's go ahead and add in the silicone. I'm going to do the same as I did before. Okay, so I'm going to add 3 drops into each one. So let me stir these up really quickly for you guys in fast mode, and then I will see you back, and we'll load up the cups and get going. In the center, do a little tappy tap. I hope you guys are all doing well. I really do. And so now I'm just gonna, as that's sitting, just gonna add a little bit of white. Oh yeah, messy me, of course. Guys, look at this. Come on, right? Oh my. Oh, who cares, right? Okay. I'm just gonna do a quick twist, guys, and let her go. This was the first pour, which was our flip cup. And just look how translucent that silver, or that gold, and how vibrant it is. See all the light copper and everything underneath it in the bronze. Okay. The sides are absolutely beautiful. Again, it's not packed full of cells, but that's okay. I've got some cool white lacing here. I lost the copper in this one, but it is gorgeous. My light's working for me today. The lighting, you guys can see that gorgeous gold and all the vibrance. That turned out beautiful. Okay, so let's go on over to the straight pour. And very different than anyone I've ever had in terms of the composition, but it's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. The sides, everything turned out fabulous. I can see all the colors. I didn't lose any of them. Predominantly the gold and the bronze are here, but I love that because it made the composition look so cool with the outline of the white and the copper. Right now I'm absolutely in love. Cells or not, the gold, the pour, the outcome, I'm in love with them. So let's take a look at the ribbon pour and the ring pour. All right guys, so right here we have the ribbon pour. And once again, I'm in love with it. I got beautiful sides, okay. All the colors showed up. It's gorgeous, I love that. The copper, and again, see how the gold is so translucent, so light, and all the colors are just beautifully laying underneath it. You could see them all. And if I had the canvas up and I was tilting it, you could see all that vibrance and shimmer just moving back and forth. I love the design here. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, I got all of the colors. I got some small cells, some large ones, a bit of lacing with the copper. Lots of different cool effects in this one. I got a couple peekaboo corner there. Yeah, that's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And then this here is our ring pour. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous copper explosion there. Those cells. Now their form isn't all that great there. They kind of got a little funky. I'm not sure why I didn't overstretch, but that's just how they appeared on the side. You learn stuff every day about metallics. And again, I am in love. Just take a look here, guys, to see which technique ended up giving me the most cells. And I'm going to immediately go to flip cup, and you guys will probably agree. Let me know down in the comments which technique that you guys liked best out of these pours, and also which one you felt gave the best cells. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. And I will see you in the next pour.